Let us go through the details related to custom functions developed by users as part of the applications in this section. Typically, we develop business logic as part of the custom functions developed by us. We'll start with defining the functions. We will see how to define doc strings for the function so that someone can get help when they want to explore the function. How to return the values towards the end of the function. How to pass arguments to the functions where the functions have parameters associated with them. How to pass varying arguments after defining varying parameters while creating the function. How to take care of keyword arguments or keyword parameters. Parameters and arguments are typically interchangeable, so when we say parameters or arguments, it almost same. Then we will see how to pass functions as arguments to other functions. Then we'll talk about lambda functions, and finally we will see where the lambda functions are typically used. Even though we might not develop lambda functions too often, we should be very comfortable to actually understand where they can be used when we typically use standard libraries within Python or some other third-party libraries that comes on top of Python core libraries. That being said, let's get into the details, and by the end of this section, you should be comfortable with creating the custom functions from the syntax and semantics perspective.